teaching you guys how to make
egg roll.
and these are gonna be super easy, super delicious, super yummy, and then we always have pre-made egg rolls in our freezer just in case we want to eat it for like appetizers and things like
Snacking
that.
on it.
Yes.
Snacking on it is good.
And this is also good for
like, let me see,
potluck,
company's party,
which is a potluck.
get together. Same thing, I know, but they get what I'm saying.
Yes. So anyways, instead of wasting time, let's get cooking and let's get rolling. So before we get started making our egg rolls, we're actually gonna grab one vermicelli bean thread noodle, and then we're gonna place it into this small bowl that we have here. And we're gonna also get our black fungus, which is mushrooms basically. We're just gonna get a handful as well of this, and then we're gonna put it separately. And I boiled up some hot water already. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be pouring it into the bowl just like this. And we're just gonna let this soak for a good 5-10 minutes until like it softens. And as this sits, we are gonna start prepping everything else. Okay. So now that we have our vermicelli, the bean thread noodles, and the mushrooms soaking on the side, we're just gonna get ready and we're gonna just start chopping away. I think I'm actually gonna, let's just see half. See how much that goes. So, gotta shred it all, the skin. So let's slice these into like very thin. And then we'll go from there because I'm not sure how much I'm going to be using. But it doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to be mincing these as well. Okay, so we're going to scoot this over. And now we are going to get our onion and we're just going to cut this in half because we're not going to use all of it.
Oh, that's sour.
What is he giving you?
Sour bites.
Sour bites? Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get half of our onion. We're just gonna slice it just like this. Okay, now we're just gonna cut it right in the middle like this. And then
right there, your candy right there.
Okay, that's enough onion. Now I just put that to the side. Move all this. Now we're gonna get our plate. Oh yeah, it's heavy. I'm gonna just and it's okay if you guys mix it all together because this is all going to be mixed up together anyways. And now what we're going to do is here you guys see we have our bean thread noodles and our mushrooms on the side. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually cut our bean thread first and we're just going to gradually just slice it just like that. Just want to make sure it's all okay. Now what we're gonna do is gonna get our plates. just gonna put this to the side like that. Okay. And that's good enough noodles, right?
If you say so.
And then we're gonna scoot that to the side. It's okay if the board is gonna be messy because everything is gonna be going into the same thing. So now we're gonna get our mushrooms that we have here, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing as what we did with the noodles. I'm just gonna gradually dice it up like this. Okay, then that's good enough as well. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take back our plate, scoot everything over. I'm just gonna place it right there. Okay, that's good. So I'll be right back and let me actually rinse this off. I need to rinse off my cutting board. So now, since we're all done cutting up our vegetables and everything like that, we are gonna go ahead and get our shrimp, and we're gonna be mincing all these as well. So I'm just peeling off the tail as of right now with my little helper, Kingsley. Say hi, friends.
Kingsley. Say hi. Hi.
He randomly came up to me to sit on my lap, so I'm guessing he wants to help mommy.
He's interested.
I know, look at him.
I know.
So cute. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, ew, Kingsley, you're nasty. So now we're gonna do the same thing as what we did earlier. We're just gonna get our shrimp and you're just gonna mince it. Ain't gotta be pretty. As long as all of the shrimp is minced. What is all that, Kingsley, huh? With Daddy now?
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Okay, mommy. But now it's easy for mommy.
Look, look.
Mince
Wow, look
this
at that.
all up. Basically all set and ready to put everything together for our egg rolls. So now we are gonna take our ground pork that we have on the side right here. We're gonna mix in everything now. So we have our shrimp. Put that to the side. We have one fall, it's okay. Now we're gonna get all of our veggies as well, and we're gonna just dump all this in together. This is the fun part where everything starts coming together. That aside. And then here we have 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. We have 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I can't even say it, but I hope I said it right. I have 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. I have 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Just gives it a little kick. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a spoon and we're just gonna simply mix this all together. Make sure everything is like mixed fully well, because you want all the flavor to get into all the meat, all the shrimp and everything like that. Okay guys, here you have it, our filling for the egg rolls. Okay, now we are gonna get ready to roll with you guys. Oh, actually before we start rolling, we're gonna take one bowl that we have here. We're gonna grab our egg and we're just gonna crack it. And we're just gonna whisk this. This is basically our seal to seal up the egg rolls. So now we are gonna take our spring roll pastry that we have here. This is 50 counts. So we're just gonna open this. Okay, and then as you guys can see, it's all like sticking together. So you just wanna pull it off very carefully. What I like to do is I like to pre-peel it. Do this. So I'll roll a couple with you guys and I'll do the rest later. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to just take your sheet that you have here. Move this board over here. Sorry guys, bear with me. So you're gonna just use just like that, like a triangle square, right?
Diamond.
Diamond. And then now what you want to do is you just want to take a scoop of your filling. You don't want to overfill these because when you fry them, they're gonna pop open. As you guys saw on my crab ragoon, it wasn't all that good. It kept on popping every time I fried. But this is 1 scoop, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna just fold it and you're gonna tuck it right in. You're gonna just roll about halfway. You're gonna get the sides and then you're just gonna roll them in. And then as you guys can see the flap right here, you're gonna take your eggs that you just beat up earlier, and then you're just gonna roll just like that, just to seal it, just to be safe. There you go. And then I like to leave it just like that right on the side so that the seal is nice and strong. I'll show you guys later after. So now we're just gonna repeat the step. So you're gonna just take 1 spoonful of filling, dab it right there. You're gonna take the corner, you're gonna scoot it in, and then you're gonna just roll, 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 and bam, bam. What happened, Kingsley? Is Stormy bothering you?
No.
Oh, you want that?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna take this, and then you're just gonna roll it. This one might be a little too much, but it's okay, guys. Now we're gonna just leave it just like that. And then just keep continuing to do the same thing. Okay, and there you have it. And the only reason why I let it sit like that because I want to make sure that the seal is fully closed. So now, just gonna plate it just like that. Okay, and I'll see you guys back soon once I'm done rolling all of it. So now that we are all set rolling up our egg rolls, we're gonna fry some up with y'all. So as you guys can see, we have our oil that's already preheated. So now we are just gonna fry these up. I like to fry them up on medium low so that the meat inside can fully cook. And we'll just let this sit and do its thing. And here you guys have it, our egg rolls.
And we have the sauce right here that goes with it.
Yes, the sauce that we're using is a sweet and chili sauce for spring rolls.
Show it to them.
Aurora D. Aurora?
Whatever, however you pronounce that.
I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyways, let's go.
Let's go.
Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
Cheers. You ready?
I like a lot of sauce.
Okay.
Mmm.
Mmm. So good.
Bomb.com.
I don't know if you guys can see the inside.
Good job, honey.
So we hope that was easy for you guys to make the egg rolls. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to press that subscribe button.
And also the notification bell.
Okay. Till next video. Bye.
Peace.
Ow, I hit my arm.